hills. I'm on the east side of the Illinois River. I just went over that. It wasn't very wide. I did not film it because I was ill prepared. Not that far. There. I don't think that shows up. Pretty. Very pretty drive. Easy drive. Not too trafficy. Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Oh, that's a dam. We don't know if it's a goddamn. It's a bad joke. I'm sorry. Indianapolis. Just had a cop pull right out in front of me. Two cops pulling over one car. The one in front of the other one pulls directly through two lanes of traffic going 65, 70 miles an hour. 0 F's were given. Just, what? I need to get over there to make a turn in the median. Really? You didn't, like, your buddy didn't even try to stop the traffic, slow it down. He didn't look in both ways, nothing. Just, I'm coming. So this is where I am. I'm gonna have to edit this. Drive past the speedway. So far, the roads seem to be better going this direction in Indianapolis, Indiana. Was a big sign that said Indianapolis Speedway.